Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make realistic video with AI in just a few steps. There are a lot of powerful AI video generators out there, and today we'll be using Video 3, but here's the secret. If you want your videos to look more realistic, you need to use effective prompts, and one of the best ways to do that is with JSON prompt. So what's a JSON prompt? In simple terms, JSON is just a structured way of giving instructions to AI. Instead of writing a messy sentence, you give clear fields like scene, dialogue, mood, camera styles, and so on. And will help the AI understand exactly what you want, which makes your video more realistic and detailed. And now let's make a JSON prompt together. And in this tutorial, I will be using ChatGPT to generate a JSON prompt. So just open your ChatGPT and then ask it to generate a JSON prompt for VO3. For example, I will type a request like this. Like this. Now after we have the prompt, just copy the prompt and next just go to Google Flow. Like this, and then just choose text to video and then just paste your prompt like this, and then just choose your model video. I will choose VO3 fast, and then just choose your output number. I will choose one output, and then after that just hit generate. And okay, like this, let's play the video.
Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to
Like this. And honestly, it's actually pretty impressive. The details like facial expressions and then mood and even the camera angles make it look way more realistic compared to a normal text prompt. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create realistic AI videos using VO3, JSON prompt, and ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!